everybody. Hey, how y'all doing? I'm doing all right. I'm glad that y'all are doing okay. It's a beautiful day today. I'm so excited to get ready to do this video with y'all. Today, we're doing a classic. Yes, we're doing a classic. As you see, the ingredients, we are going to be doing our pea salad. You're going to need, of course, the star, which is our peas. You want these to be frozen, okay? Frozen peas. You're going to need some bacon, chopped onions, red onions, some cheese. This is cheddar cheese. And you're going to need some mayonnaise, okay? You're also going to need some black pepper, paprika, and some salt. So let's get started on how to make this recipe that you are going to love. It's good on a good spring day, a good summer day. It is something light on the stomach. It won't, make you feel full and too heavy. So let's get started on this recipe. 1 cup of mayonnaise. And you can add more or less if you want to, which I may add a little more, I may not. But I'm going in with the 1 cup of mayonnaise. You can use any kind of mayonnaise, whatever your preference is. Next, we are going in with our salt. And I'm using about 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to pour some in my hand because I can pretty much judge. Next, we are going in with some black pepper. 1/2 a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright. Then we're going to go in with some paprika. You can use smoked or Hungarian. I'm just using regular paprika today. And with that one, you're going to put in 1/2 teaspoon as well. So all the seasonings is 1/2 a teaspoon. So that makes it easy to remember. Now we're going to go in with our onions. Go in with add in the rest of the ingredients for this pretty pea salad, y'all. It's so good, it's so good. So let me get this mixed up and see. Bacon bits. And, well, these are the bacon that I've chopped up. And I'm going to add this in, and this is 1/2 a cup. Alright, so 1/2 a cup. Now we're going to go in with our peas, okay? But you can make it with 24 ounces if you want. It just depends on, how much you want to make. So I'm only going in with that much. And, it depends on how you want it. Some people may like it super creamy. Some people don't. So for me, I just go off of what my soul says. So I think this is going to be perfect, but I don't know because we haven't added in the cheese. So this our cheese. And I'm adding in 1/2 a cup of, I'm using cheddar cheese. Actually, this is a 1 cup. I'm sorry. This is 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And, oh, do y'all like my bowls? I finally found some bowls. Like, I've been looking for some of these bowls that I can put my little ingredients in. So, yeah, that's what I'm working with. I'm trying to level up for y'all. Alright, so we got our cheese in, and y'all, with the colors of the peas, the colors of those purple onions, the colors of that orange cheese, it's just amazing. So, we got this mixed in, so now I want to go in and I want to taste it. Because, like I said, I may add in some